Hey guys, Jen Kua here from my Biz Breakthroughs. Today, let's talk about finding a profitable niche for your ideal consulting business. Choosing a business niche is often a source of stress for most business consultants. Thinking like, what if it doesn't generate money for me? Or what if after I spent tons of money on advertising and it doesn't work? So here's how to avoid all these issues when making a decision on your business niche. This is the exact process of the breakthrough building process that I personally use and my clients for their long-term business success. How do you start in making a choice of which niche to go? So you will do this process with the objective of clearing everything out to get your best possible business idea and niche to test. So step one is set aside your ego. What you need here is to first remove any ego or pride. Shut down yourself before you even start so the whole process works and you will avoid any inaccurate signals while you go through this idea generation process. And step two is you evaluate. The reason for evaluation is to get all your ideas out and brainstorm without deciding whether or not it's the best niche for you. The key is to think about your current skills, your talents, your current or past experiences about your job, things that you are good at, and your knowledge in terms of how you could benefit someone else. Go through everything on your list, brainstorm and evaluate your abilities and capabilities. How that skill, your strength, your interest, experience, or passion could help someone else. And step three is you organize. This is where you will group your ideas. Your ideas will likely be around certain themes like health, training, meditation, technology, coaching, or anything that you can think of. Business is just about solving problems. Look for problems, like from a small group of people that you are interested in. Then go and talk to them. Understand them. Learn how to listen. Ask them questions like, what keeps you up at night? Or, what are you really stressed about your business or your life? Or any questions that matches to your ideal customers. Stop thinking about yourself or about the product or services that you want to offer. You need to detach yourself, okay? So really get to understand them, find out a true problem that they face, something that actually makes their life and business suffer. Not a problem for one individual, but a problem that's widespread among participants within a group. Now, once you've done and found that pain points of that specific group of people, the solution to that problem is your idea. And then next, step four is contenders and scoring. So here you pick maximum of three strong contenders and do a round of idea scoring. Is there any money that you can make from that idea? Is there a group of people who really need this? Of all the ideas you have, there are going to be a subgroup that are the ones that interest you the most or you have been considering over. If you can identify the level of pains of this specific group of people that you want to help, then this is more profitable. Let me pull this graph for you. If zero pain or the pain is at the level which is very mild, or let's say you see it at level 3, which is tolerable, then the idea is less profitable. Then if you see the pain is at level 7, which is very intense, or level 9, which is excruciating, unbearable, or level 10 maybe, which is unimaginable or unspeakable. The more higher the pain level is, the more it is profitable. And step 5 is choosing. Now you make your choice. You acknowledge that you are choosing an idea to test. And the last step in the breakthrough idea generation process is the idea to test. You are going out there to do some simple tests to check people are willing to pay for it. You can do this organically without spending any money. You need to test your idea if you are in a viable niche. Certainly, you want to do your due diligence in selecting a viable niche that suits you and profitable. So here's the thing. When you apply a solution to a problem and it works, then value is created. You know value is a byproduct of applying a solution to a problem. And when you do that, when value is created, then people are willing to pay money. And the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the money. Because building your ideal business, your ideal consulting business, doesn't have to be in a limbo that you work in guessing. Instead, it's something you get to start low key and get the right foundation to set up and grow your revenue. So I hope it all makes sense. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And also if you want to learn more how to build your ideal consulting business, not to depend on anyone or anything and get paid what you're worth, you can join my 4-day bootcamp for free. Just click the link below this video. Jankua here, your breakthrough guide to design your future.